Yes, now it is recording. Who is this? Rishika, what are you trying to do on the screen, beta?
Nothing, sir.
No, with your pen you were doing something on the screen, probably in front of the camera. From this side, it appears as if you are trying to peer that pen through the screen and it will come out like a 3D movie. Has anyone watched a 3D movie? Ever?
Yes, sir.
Any 3D movie? Three-dimensional movie?
Yes, sir.
Who has watched?
Sir, Prakhar.
Prakhar has. Others haven't? That also is a fun you should watch. Fine. Now, one important thing to discuss today is that very soon we are going to have examinations. Very soon. Okay. And so, for that reason, I would like to just cross check once how much has been completed, how much has been done, and what new things we should do before the examination, means in the remaining limited time, very short time remaining. There may be few things that we haven't even started. There may be few things that have been very well done, completed. So I would like to have a list of all that. So who can prepare a list of all the lessons that we have already completed?
Sir, Niyati?
Niyati can do. Okay, beta. So just for rough verification, you can tell me right now so that others may also notify that yes, whatever you have mentioned is correct. And then you can write it down on a piece of paper and send the photograph to me. Okay, later on. So just now you simply tell me from that first book, what is the name of your book? Honeydew, Honeycomb. What is
Honeydew.
Honeydew.
Honeydew. So in Honeydew, how many lessons we have already completed? We have, when I say, I mean you have. Because madam would also have completed some lessons earlier. So just let me know how many lessons, how many poems have already been completed in Honeydew.
Yes, sir. Sir, the best Christmas present in the world, first chapter, the ant and the cricket, the tsunami, geography lesson, glimpses of the past, Macavity the mystery cat, Bipin Chaudhary, lapse of memory, the last bar. Bipin Chaudhary, lapse of memory, the summit within. Sir, here.
This much.
Yes, sir.
Do all others agree with what she said that
Yes,
this much
sir.
has been completed?
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any
Yes, sir.
mention that is not
Yes, sir.
everything is there. Okay. Out of what she told. Poems and prose. All that she told. Or is there something that she did not mention but we have completed?
So the last bargain.
The last bargain. Okay. That's a poem. Fine. Now, in supplementary reader, I gave you an assignment
Yes, sir.
where you were expected
Yes, sir.
to read all the stories and you were expected to present those stories in the class, which was nicely
Yes, sir.
done by almost everybody. That is one subject enrichment activity already conducted in the class, and at the same time, when we were doing that activity, those lessons were also nicely explained by many students. One lesson was explained at least by 2 or 3 students, right?
Yes, sir.
So, in a way, those lessons are also done. Agreed? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as far as literature part is concerned, we have done this much. Nearly, simply write names of lessons and names of poems on a piece of paper and supplementary reader all lessons. Take a snap of that, photograph of that, and send it on my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp. Okay. I go through that so that I can have in my mind these many lessons have been completed while preparing the question paper. Second
Yes,
thing. Yes, beta.
Sir, which examinations are we have, sir? Sir, periodics or sir half yearly?
We can consider it half yearly. Okay.
The online or
Yes, and all.
we will call.
We may have any time, any moment. Whenever we feel like having individually, we can have for our subject and our class. But it is going to be a common examination for the school. Very soon it will be planned, dates will be conveyed. So that may be considered as half yearly examination. Okay. How much time will be provided, maximum marks, all that will convey very soon as it is finalized. Okay. But for your information, very soon, in a very short period of time, we are going to have that. Okay. So the number of lessons and everything that needs to be decided first of all. So Niyati is going to send it to me. Now, other than this, other than literature part, there are few more things that we need to do. We need to take into consideration for examination point of view as well as for studies. What are the other things that we should study in language?
So writing
So
part,
grammar,
letters,
grammar.
essays.
Writing part, and when you said passage, that means reading comprehension. Writing section one thing, reading comprehension another thing. That is reading section we will say. And one more thing. In the previous class, I mentioned that after this lesson, we shall start with that. What is that one more thing?
So grammar.
Grammar. So, literature, writing, grammar, and reading. These are the things, these are the sections, these are the skills that we need to take into consideration and to complete for the point of view of examination. Okay. So what I feel is now we should come to grammar as I mentioned in the last period also. Is it okay that we begin with grammar from today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, when we do grammar,
Yes, sir.
what is needed, what accessories, what props you need to have with you. First, most important thing is have a notebook. Notebook you should have every time, even while doing literature. There may be many things discussed in the class that are worth noting down, that may need to be remembered or referred later on, referred to. Okay. So keep a notebook, pen, pencil with you. We shall begin with grammar today, and after doing one or two, three topics of grammar, we'll go to writing section also. And in writing section, let us consider there are three things that you need to do in 8th class. We'll pick two things first. Okay, three things that you are supposed to do in writing section is first is story writing. Do you know what story writing is?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second thing is letter writing. Letter.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And third thing is article or paragraph. Okay. So out of these, we shall pick two things. One is story writing, and second one is letter writing. Okay. In letter writing, it is going to be a formal letter, and formal letters are many. When I introduce, I'll tell all. Just for your primary understanding, like as you perhaps would have written in 7th class, a letter to editor. Have you done that? Editor of a newspaper
Yes, sir.
or a magazine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please carry on with that. Letter to editor. Yes, sir. Other than this, there are many more letters: placing order, cancelling order, inquiry. Okay, these letters also fall into the category of formal letters. That is also there. But to begin with, we shall start with letter to editor of a newspaper. Okay, I'll give you one or two questions, one or two topics, one or two subjects on which you can write. So you simply will have to, once we shall discuss in the class how this letter is written, what all things are needed, what all information is required in that letter, and then I'll ask you to write one or two letters at home, take a photograph, or write it in, make a Word file, and send it to me. So I'll go through that. I'll check your letters. Okay. Another thing is story writing. So these two things we are considering for this coming examination: letter to editor and story writing. Okay. And in reading comprehension, nothing to say. There will be one passage, one unseen reading comprehension passage will be there, and some questions based on that. You will have to go through that, find out the answers, and write. Fourth section is grammar, and in grammar we shall pick some topics and we'll do. The most basic thing, the very first thing that you need to know, or you need to maybe revise, would have been done in the previous classes. I'm quite certain that you would definitely have done sentences in previous classes. What are sentences? What are the sections in sentences? What are the parts of a sentence? Okay. How many types of sentences are there? How can we synthesize bigger ones, bigger sentences, which we call compounded formulas? If it is there, I mention all that. If it is not there, simply combining it all, we'll see. Okay. And when we combine sentences, we need to make use of some connectors. So these are some basic things that you probably would have done in previous class. We shall do all that once again, and we'll move ahead. So starting with sentences, we'll begin with the grammar part. Once it is done, because we have started with sentences, so the next thing I think should be narrations or voices. We'll pick one of these two. I shall discuss with the teacher teaching in the other section, and then we shall finalize any one thing, either narrations or voices, and then we'll do that. Starting with sentences today, fine. Second thing, either narrations, direct and indirect narration, or active or passive voice. Which one of these two? We shall discuss, finalize, and we'll do for this coming examination. Okay. Otherwise, we have to do both. But for this examination, which one should be considered? We shall discuss. I hope I have made everything clear. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Anything that you wish to ask? Anything that you wish to ask? Whatever
Yes,
I
sir.
just mentioned,
Sir.
whatever I just told, if there is any confusion, you may ask.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, in writing section, the notice also came.
What,
Notice.
beta?
Notice.
I couldn't get it. I'm increasing your volume. Yes. Beta, write in the chat section. I couldn't hear what did you say. Notice writing. What do you think? Should I keep it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have you started writing notice in class 6?
Sir, class 5th.
Yes, sir.
Class
Fifth. Yes, sir.
Okay, you wrote notice in class 5th, then in 6th also. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then in 7th class also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you want it in 8th class again.
No, sir.
It is not there in 9th and 10th class. Okay, in class 9th and 10th, we go with the syllabus prescribed by CBSE, and in that, by now, they have not kept notice writing in 9th and 10th. And what grammar I want to have in 8th class, I want to discuss with you all, is whatever is there in 9th and 10th. So that it will form a good base for you when you go to class 9. Okay, so we shall take all the topics, everything in grammar and in writing section that is there in 9th and 10th. But here I would like to mention one more thing. Now that is important. You wrote notice in class test as you said. You wrote notice in 6th and 7th. Very good. 8th also. That's our decision. We can have or not. But when you go to class 11th and 12th, their notice is there once again. In class 11th also notice is there, and in class 12th also notice is there. Something that you started writing in class 5 is there in 11th and 12th also. Then why not have in 8th, 9th and 10th? Now, one more important thing you should know is when students go to class 11th or 12th, they need to practice writing notice once again very thoroughly, because this is something where we expect full marks. If it is a 4 marks or 5 marks, we expect full. And with little bit of carelessness, we may lose those marks. Okay. But because we are going to have it once again in 11th, 12th, I feel that it shouldn't be there in 8th, 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th, it is already decided by CBSE that it's not there. So let us not have this in 8th class also. Okay. Still, because you have asked, I am telling, I shall talk to madam teaching in 8th B, and then we'll finalize. I'll let you know. This is just an informal discussion we are doing. I'm just sharing an information that very soon we are going to have exam. Very soon dates will be finalized. Very soon syllabus will be finalized. That's why I asked you to give me the list of lessons that we have completed. And we have also discussed what all we may do in the remaining time. And what all is needed. What is needed is writing, reading and grammar. So for writing, we have decided for this test. Even if it is decided that we'll keep notice, it may be in the next examination. But for this coming examination, I think let us not have it. Let us have only two things. One is story writing, and the another one is what I just mentioned.
Letter writing.
Letter to
Letter writing. Letters to
yes,
editor.
only letter to editor, not other type of letters. Okay. And in grammar, as I said, sentences first thing. Second thing, narration or voices, one of these two things. After discussing with man. So this is just an outline of what we are going to have, what we may have in coming examination. As soon as we discuss, decide, finalize, I'll put the finalized syllabus for coming exam in your WhatsApp group. So from there, and we shall discuss here in the class also. Okay, then we can prepare accordingly. I think we are done with this discussion about coming examination. Mr. Uppal, you can click on attendance once now.
So what?
And here I am also attendance.
So may I take the attendance?
Aniket, take the attendance now. Means click and save it. I am also saving it here.
Yes, sir. So I took the attendance. So may I send it to you?
Yes. Have you saved the CSV file?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Don't
sir. I have
save
saved that.
HTML. Don't save
Yes, sir. I have saved a CSV file.
Save CSV file. Yes. Okay. I have also saved here. So it will be a cross check. Attendance sent by email. So shall we get on to grammar section now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll share some videos and explanations from Tata Classics. And when I'm playing live videos from Tata Classes online, there is always a problem when my microphone or camera is on. So I'll first mute myself, and if still there is some problem, distraction, then I'll close my camera also. But from your side, somebody can keep on telling me if there is problem, if audio is not clear or something
Sir,
like that.
Akhil.
So who will tell me?
Prakhar.
Sir, Akhil.
Prakhar.
Akhil.
Prakhar.
Last time. Okay.
Akhil.
Prakhar.
Akhil.
Prakhar.
Akhil.
Prakhar. Prakhar, I said. Okay. For next class, I'm telling it will be Chahid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next class, this communication will be done by Chahid,
Thank you, sir.
because in the next class, Akhil will be sharing and Niyati will be sharing. Okay. I have to log in once again. Okay. Is it shared, Prakhar? Screen shared?
Yes, sir.
I'm logging in. Because after a few minutes of inactivity, it logs out.
Sir, the recording, sir, the presentation screen is not visible.
It's coming here. It is little slow, it seems.
Sir, you stop presentation. Sir, you have stopped presenting.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it stopped?
You stop the
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm
Yes,
doing-
sir.
Let us see.
Yes, sir.
It has once again stopped. Class Edge is not responding. I'll once again.
Sir,
go from
today
here.
there is network problem, sir.
There may
The
be.
network problem is there, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, there may be. I'll try once again. Is it showing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Not all, but one child can respond. It is Prakhar who is telling. I should log out once and then I log in. His net is wasting your precious time, isn't it? It is not responding. What can you see on screen, brother?
So I can see the Tata class edge.
The home page.
Yes, sir.
This is flashing again and again. I have already logged in. I am already inside. But the problem is it is not opening. It is not connected, getting connected properly. So the option left is to close it and to once again try to open it. This is third attempt. If it doesn't open, we'll leave this.
Sir, your presentation is chopped.
The video explanation here was very interesting. I was watching this a little while ago. But we cannot do it unless it connects properly.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
so what is the meaning?
What is the meaning?
Sir, what is the meaning of cripple?
What did you say, beta? Cripple or triple?
So cripple, CRIPPLE.
Triple hair?
Sorry, sir.
Triple hair?
Yes, sir.
set, not arranged, not clean.
सर आपकी आवाज कट कट कर आ रही है.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
My voice is not clear.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's not clear.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It is clear.
Yes,
It is
sir.
not clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, voice is also not clear, and this class is also not yet connected. That means we are having some problem. Then I should not expect this to open. I'm stopping it. I'm coming back. I'll share these videos of sentences from class edge in the next class or in some other class whenever it works properly. Now is the audio clear? My voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So it was not clear when I was making an attempt of opening class edge, probably. By the time it was opening, by the time it was buffering, it did not open at all. Voice might have become very unclear.
Sir, I sent you the
It would have
editor.
started. Okay, okay.
Sir, I sent
Good.
you.
I'll check. Yes, I will check it. So fine, because we have wasted enough time waiting for classes to respond, let us start with sentences quickly. And I want everybody on screen. And if possible, keep your cameras on, if it is possible. Whoever speaks should be visible to you. Now start telling me. But whoever wants to speak, either may raise hand. If you have kept your camera on, I will allow you to speak. Or write in the chat section I. I means I want to speak. I will call your name. If you all start speaking together like just now you did, then it will be difficult for me to understand what I am saying and it will cause a lot of disturbance. So if you have kept your camera on, raise your hands. I will allow you. Or you can write in chat section I, which means I want to speak. What is a sentence? What is a sentence? Prakhar Modi. Yes, Vijay.
Sir, a sentence is a group of words that make sense.
A group of words that makes sense. Manu Lodha.
Sir, a group of words that give us a proper meaning.
A group of words that gives a proper meaning. Okay. Then Niyati also wants to say something and somebody has written in chat section also.
Sir, a
A
sentence is a
sentence
group
is a
of words.
message through which we can convey our feelings to others. Okay. That's a little philosophical answer. A set of words that is complete in itself. Yes, Niyati.
May I?
A sentence is a group of words that are kept in a particular order to make a complete sense.
Wow. She added one more dimension to the definition. Earlier, somebody said it's a group of words,
Sir,
but
sir.
then he added that a group of words that makes a sense. Then she said a group of words placed in particular order, in a proper order, and it makes a sense. Okay, good, agreed. Now, when you say group of words, what do you mean by words? What do you mean by words?
Sir, a group of alphabets.
Sir, they are the group of
Which
alphabets.
has a meaning of its own. Which has a meaning of its own. If it is a group of
Yes,
alphabets,
sir.
Yes, sir.
say letters. And when you say alphabet, don't say alphabets. It is never plural. It is always alphabet. Okay. That has its own meaning. And when these words are kept together, then
Yes, sir.
Niyati mentioned in proper, correct order. There should be an order to it. There should be an order. Can we put words anywhere and have a sense?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, if I change the order, what happens? My statement is, can we put words in any order? I use 7 words. Can we put words in any order? What happens if I change the order of these words? How I begin?
Sir, the sentence.
The meaning of the
Sir,
sentence.
the sentence will be the
Yes.
the meaning of
I
the
started
sentence
with
would be
can.
changed or it would be
Yes.
meaningless.
Yes. Either it will become meaningless or meaning will change. I said can we, I forgot the sentence, make a sentence in any order or something like that. I said, can we put words in any order?
Yes,
This is
sir.
what I asked. Now, if I change the order, if I make it like this, started with can and then I said we. If
जब
I
आपकी आवाज
interchange
कट
these
कट के आ
two words, only these words are interchanged. Can we becomes we can. I interchange the position of can and we. I said can we. Now I'm
Sir,
saying
the
we
meaning is
can.
changed.
We can put words in any order. Again, same words used, same number of words, 7 words used.
The meaning is the
Order
meaning
also
is
is not
changed.
changed very much.
Sir, the first meaning. So the first meaning was of question, and now say this meaning is of answer.
When I first said can be, it was a question. It was a statement inquiry. Now when I'm saying we can, I'm declaring something, I'm telling something.
Yes,
not
sir.
asking. It's not an inquiry. So that was a question. This will
Sir,
be
your
an
voice is not clear.
again, my voice is not clear, but I'm speaking quite loudly. Speaking quite loudly that I am audible. Yes, many mics are on. There, that can also be a reason. Mute your mics, all of you. Once mute all the mics, and then we shall check. Now, am I clear? You can
No,
show
sir.
thumb if I am clear.
So some interruption is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just show me your thumb if it is clear. Do it like this if it is clear. If it is not clear, do like this. Come down. Keep mic mute, Karan. Now tell me if my voice has become clear. Thumb up, otherwise thumb down. I can see thumb down. Okay. Okay. Prakhar says I am clear. Chahit says I am not. Ankush says no. Niyati says yes. Chahit says no. Sarvagya says yes. So somewhere it is clear, somewhere it is not. Okay, fine. We shall try to correct it. It's already 2:12, so it's time to stop the class.
So now it is
For
clear.
today,
sir.
when I said it's time to stop the class, it has become clear. But it became clear very late. Very late.
Yes,
It's
sir.
2:12. We are supposed to close close the class at 2:10. No problem. This will soon be corrected, we hope. Because again,
Yes, sir.
the issue is of connectivity or something like that, which is not in our hands. So let us hope that in the next class it will be more clear, and we shall continue with this topic, sentences of grammar. Okay, I'm stopping here. What we have discussed today is about the coming examination, about the portion that we have already completed, and about the portion of grammar and of writing section and of reading section that we are going to finish before the examination begins. And what we have started with today, we could not continue with that. We could not complete it because of all this, that we could not connect class edge also, and my voice was also not clear. But we started with sentences. So in the next class, we will finish sentences and then the next topic. Okay? Shall I stop it here?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can also
Yes, sir.
now
Yes, sir.
Sairam,
Sairam, sir.